Hey there, Active Lifers! Welcome back to another exciting video on Active Life Academy, your go-to channel for all things health and fitness. If you're looking to boost your protein intake and achieve your fitness goals, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of protein-rich foods that can help you easily add protein to your daily diet. But first, let's understand what proteins are and why our bodies need them. What are proteins? Proteins are the building blocks of life. They are essential macronutrients made up of amino acids. These amino acids play a crucial role in various bodily functions, such as repairing tissues, building muscle, and supporting immune health. Now let's talk about why our bodies need protein. Our bodies need protein for several important reasons, and here are some additional points highlighting their significance. Energy source. While carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source, protein can serve as an energy source when carbohydrates are scarce. It provides about 4 calories per gram, and when needed, your body can break down protein into glucose for energy. Enzymatic reactions. Enzymes are biological catalysts that facilitate various chemical reactions in our bodies. Many of these enzymes are proteins, playing critical roles in digestion, metabolism, and other vital processes. pH balance. Proteins help maintain the body's pH balance, which is essential for normal cell function. They act as buffers, preventing excessive changes in pH that could be harmful. Transport. Proteins are involved in transporting molecules throughout the body. Hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells, carries oxygen from the lungs to cells and tissues, ensuring proper oxygen delivery. Structural support. Proteins provide structural support to cells, tissues, and organs. Collagen, for example, is a protein that gives strength and elasticity to our skin, bones, and connective tissues. Hormone regulation. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various physiological processes. Many hormones, such as insulin and growth hormone, are proteins that help control metabolism, growth, and other essential functions. Detoxification. Some proteins in the liver and kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying harmful substances from the body, helping to maintain overall health. Immune response. Antibodies are specialized proteins that form a vital part of the immune system. They recognize and neutralize harmful pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses, helping to protect against infections. Neurotransmission. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. Certain proteins are involved in the synthesis, release, and reception of these neurotransmitters, which are essential for proper brain function. These additional roles of proteins emphasize their significance in maintaining the overall health and proper functioning of the human body. As you can see, protein isn't just about muscle growth. It's involved in numerous vital processes that keep us alive and well. Without further ado, here are the top 10 protein-rich foods that can help you reach your daily goal of 100 grams of protein. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein that's low in fat and incredibly versatile. It's perfect for building and repairing muscle tissue. Salmon is not only rich in protein, but also loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It's a great choice for overall health. Lean cuts of beef provide a substantial amount of protein, along with essential nutrients like iron and zinc. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're a versatile ingredient for any meal. Cottage cheese is a dairy product high in protein and low in fat. It's excellent as a snack or part of a balanced meal. Tempeh is a plant-based protein source made from fermented soybeans. It's rich in protein and contains probiotics for gut health. Edamame, or young soybeans, is a protein-packed snack that's easy to prepare and a great source of essential amino acids. Bison meat is lean and protein-rich, making it an excellent choice for those looking to add variety to their protein sources. Sardines are a nutrient-dense fish with high protein content. They're also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Cod is a white fish that's not only protein-rich but also low in calories. It's a great addition to a balanced diet. Tilapia is another low-calorie, protein-rich fish option that's easy to cook and enjoy as part of a healthy meal. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with protein to fuel your active lifestyle. Remember to combine them strategically throughout the day to reach your 100-gram protein goal. That wraps up our video on 11 foods that easily add 100 green protein every day. We hope you found this information helpful on your journey to a healthier and more active life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Active Life Academy for more nutrition tips, workout routines, and wellness advice. And as always, stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep living that active life.